Once iImport Desktop has been installed, integrated with the worksite client using the iCommand registry settings, and configured using the settings within the iImport Desktop options, users are ready to run imports by themselves. A user simply launches the program, browses to the structure or set of structures that they would like to import, and selects the folders and or documents that they wish to import into the destination that they've selected within the worksite interface. In this example, I'll select a specific folder that has subfolders with documents underneath it, and I can simply hit the import button to start the import process. Note that the log file, if configured to appear, will appear in the background with any specific notes about the configuration for the import. If folder structures will be reproduced as part of the import, the user will be prompted with any profile values that are editable by the user for the specific folder values. In this case, I have a class value which is defaulted to doc. I can change that value if desired to some other type of value from the worksite tables. So I can change that in this example to agreement. The client matter value in this example again was configured to be blank within the global system configuration, but it has inherited these values from the workspace that I have selected as the target. So the client matter value or any other metadata that has not been specified but will be prompted or presented for prompting to the user that has a value on the target will be pre-filled with those values. The user can override these values if desired by selecting specific values directly from the worksite lookup tables. Note that these values can be set to be default values as part of the import process and pushed down to the document profile fields as well. Next, the document profile dialog will appear with the different values for document profiles, including the description, which in this case is using the file name variable, the class, which has been preset from the prior dialog, which is now agreement instead of doc, and the comment, which will have specific variables in it, including a new line, the text imported from, and then the full name of the source path of the document, and then on a specific date and time, which is the current date and time that the import is being run. So I just hit OK once I'm satisfied with those values, and the log will scroll and present me with information about the import as the import is running. The log provides very detailed information, but this can be modified based on the import log settings within the iImport Desktop Options dialog. Note that it shows elapsed time, number of structures processed, number of files processed, number of bytes processed, average throughput, actual number of files processed, any warnings or errors that are occurring as part of the import process. When the import completes, complete information will be displayed within the status bar, in addition to complete information within the summary of the iImport log window.